Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shawnee Vlogs. So today I will be introducing you guys to my next recipe that is called avial. Avial is also a very important dish in our sadhya, and it is a very unique dish. It's a very nutritional dish because it is made by boiling vegetables, 5-6 vegetables, grated coconut and curd. And the best part about this dish is you don't need any kind of masala in this, and it is made in just few minutes. That's it, and it's very easy. And it's a dish you can even have with roti. It's not that you need to have it only with rice or something. You can even have it with roti, and it's a dish you can make it like on an everyday basis. So let's get to the show. So for avial, the ingredients I'll be using are yam, French beans, raw bananas, yellow pumpkin, drumstick, carrots. So always remember that when you're cutting these vegetables, it should be like thin and long. You have to cut just like your finger. Green chilies, slit, curd thoroughly whisked, grated coconut. I've used half coconut here, curry leaves, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, coconut oil, salt. So first I'll be adding the coconut oil. We will wait for it to get hot. So once the oil has got heated, I'm going to splatter the cumin seeds. And then I'm going to put the curry leaves. Keep one thing in mind, try to add lot of curry leaves for this recipe because that is what brings out the taste in this. So now I'll start putting the vegetables. So first I'll be adding the yam because yam takes longer time to cook. I'm going to mix this now. It's been 2 minutes now. So now I'll be adding the remaining vegetables. Mix it well. Mix it well so that the oil is coated properly with vegetables. So now I'll be adding salt. I'll be adding 2 spoons currently. And then I'll be adding pinch of turmeric. Let's mix this again. Now I'm going to let it cook in medium heat. I'm going to cover it with a lid. After 5 minutes we'll check if more water is required, then we'll add water. But currently we will let it cook within its own water. So it's been 5 minutes now. Let's check the vegetables. So I'm just checking. See, it's getting boiled within its own water. I didn't add any water. So now let's add green chilies. And now let it cook for 5 more minutes in low heat. I'm cooking it slowly in low heat so that the juice of the vegetables come out and gets cooked together. So it's been total 10 minutes now. Let's check the vegetables. So now I'll be adding the grated coconut. And I will leave it again to cook for another 5 minutes. If you feel the water is less, then you can add a bit hot water. I just added the grated coconut on the top. I didn't mix it. That is because we are leaving it again for 5 minutes to get cooked. If you mix the coconut, it will get stuck at the bottom. That's the reason. It's been 5 minutes since I added the coconut. So I'm going to mix this now. So now all the vegetables as well as the coconut, everything has got cooked thoroughly. So now I'll be adding the curd. Once you have added the curd, turn off the stove. And now we'll be mixing this. Avial is ready now. I'll be drizzling little coconut oil. And then I'll be adding curry leaves. Avial is ready to be served. So, how was the recipe, guys? Did you like it? If you did like, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon below. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And next to subscribe button, there's a small bell icon. Please do click on that so that you get notifications whenever I post a new video. So this particular video, I'll be putting it under my playlist, Veg Recipes. This particular video was about the traditional Kerala dish. So if you like this video and if you're interested in seeing my other videos related to Kerala vegetarian dishes, so I've created a playlist in my channel called Veg Recipes. Below that you'll be able to find the other videos. I'll be sharing the link as well in my description. So please do check it out. So I'll be seeing you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, bye guys.